I'm Yagmur Uckunkaya and I work at Birds on Mars as an AI expert. I would say that my role at Birds on Mars is very exciting as I explore the connection or the meeting point between AI, music, arts, social inclusion, environment, among others. Tasks include concept development, brainstorming, researching what's out there to start with, state-of-the-art eligible networks for our developed concept. Yeah, and followed by a good amount of experimenting, training models, programming. In the case of developing a tool or a product, and also managing the usability a bit. So some of the projects that I work on inspire me in terms of creativity a lot. So I get to use these ideas and inspiration that I got at work also in my free time, which is something that I really enjoy. Through AI, we have new ways and opportunities to inspire people, to explain even the things that sometimes look unexplainable. And for me personally, understanding and discovering how AI works and also fails gave me a new perspective to understand other stuff around me. Data is actually very important in my daily work because it is the input to the tools that I'm working on. Actually, if we think about it, without the data, the tool would become pointless. I work with artificial neural networks, different programming languages with sounds, images, just to name a few. I guess what challenges me sometimes the most is the experimenting part. So after finding the right methods or the right network, doing the first experiments can be challenging because sometimes then you enter this less known terrain. But also that's the part that I enjoy the most because I get to discover and learn the most too. So far, I've been mostly building tools actually. One of my last projects that I was working on recently, Kaleidofon. It is an inclusive interface which supports people in transforming their own speech or singing into other sounds and music. So from how I see it, at the end of the day, I help to build tools that provide you inspiration. So that are more or less in the field of creative AI, or as we like to call it, inspirational AI. So tools where human intelligence and artificial intelligence meet in terms of creativity and inspiration, I would say. I don't know if it's a talent or is a strange talent, but I have something very special for food. So if I ate something that really amazed me, I remember everything about it. So the situation, the people, like every little detail. So I would say maybe my strange memory for food. For me, intelligence is mostly about learning and knowledge, but also the ability to question that learning and knowledge. I'm an intelligence architect.